Fact 22. The pato, a species which includes the Jamaican owl and barn owl, is endemic to Jamaica and is an elegant bird. In the city of Kingston, it is amazing to see the sight of a barn owl under a bright moon perched on posts or trees. The white-colored owl gives off a Halloweenish glow as a result of the bright moonlight. It is said that many of our Jamaican people, they're afraid of owls. But we must say that our pato is a very special bird and is our own. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?